Hey Loyola, it's Beck Tolli here, current AFLW GWS Giants player and ex-Loyola student myself. It's awesome to hear the great work you guys are doing in the community. We're based out in Western Sydney and we have a huge multicultural community that we love getting out and having an impact in our community. So keep up the good work, and if there's one piece of advice I can give you, it's that you never know the impact you're having. I look forward to hearing all about it when I get home.
Hey Loyola, my name is Jesse Baird and I just wanted to say a big congratulations to the entire school community for all the incredible work you do supporting so many worthy charities out there. It really is worth recognising. Keep up the great work, you're all perfect examples of what it means to be a global citizen. Cheers guys.
Hi Loyola College, I'm super excited to hear about all of the positive changes you guys have been making towards sustainability. It really shows how much you care about making the world a safer place for future generations. Every little bit, every little donation, every project you get involved with makes a big difference, and I'm so proud of you guys, so keep it up and I'll try my best to keep it up too.
Hey guys, it's Elise Knowles here. Now Mrs. Tolli has told me all about your beautiful efforts and education on sustainability and looking after our beautiful country, our land and our world. So proud of you guys, because it takes people like you to make the big change. It's your generations that are going to make a huge impact for the world in years to come. So keep charging ahead. I believe in you guys, and thank you for having such big passion and love for the environment, the wildlife, plastic solutions and caring for our world. Good job.
Hey Loyola students, Alicia Loxley here. I was also lucky enough to be a student at Loyola College, but it was quite a while ago now. I now work here at 9 News, and I just wanted to congratulate you all on your efforts to raise money for your various charities as part of Harmony Day celebrations. It is crucial that we all strive to be global citizens, and you are all well on the way. Keep up the great work. See you soon.